Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Over the last several weeks I've been really busy building this chicken processing structure outside of our chicken coop. We do on-farm processing of our meat birds here. I just wanted to show off our new little area. In the past we've been doing it under a pop-up tent, which has worked perfectly fine, but we had to set it up and take it down every time. Now we've got a whole assembly line here, starting with our kill station. Over on this wall, I've got 8 cones that we use when we process, and I've got another 3 if we've got any extra big birds. They're larger cones. From there, they go into the scalder. We have the automatic scalder this year that I rebuilt over the last few weeks. It's propane fired, 2 giant burners underneath. The paddle rotates, flips the chickens in the water. And it stops with the chickens out of the water, so I don't have to stand there and baby that at all. In the past I've hand dunked them in this pot 2 at a time. So now I'm killing 8 birds, scalding 4 into the plucker, 4 onto the table. From the scalder they go to the plucker and then up onto the evisceration table where they get cleaned up. The legs get cut off, the heads get cut off, oil gland. They get the evisceration gets done, they get all washed out. I've got drop down hoses. I've got another one on order, but this was one hose with a special end that you just squeeze to turn on. Worked really good this last processing date. And then from here they go into the ice boxes, get dry packed in ice to chill. We processed so many birds last time that we did add some water just to cool them down faster. Once they're cool, they go back up to be cut up on the table. We get everything cleaned out, cleaned up, and ready to do cuts, and then we package everything down at the store. But that's kind of it for our processing area. I just want to show it off. We had run power out in the past, which I mentioned in another video. Power and water. The power still is not hooked up, but the water is. The water worked great, especially this overhead system that I've got. Kept the hoses out of the way. We weren't tripping on hoses all day. And overall, this is going to really streamline our operation here. We do about 1,000 meat birds with just 2 people. It equates to about 4,000 pounds of chicken a year. It's really kind of bread and butter, along with our greenhouse and our egg operation of what we sell in our store. Other things are pretty small compared to the chicken, the eggs, and the greenhouse plants. But that'll be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this little tour, and thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.